Check.
A 2-year deal was struck in which Amazon's Twitch acquired streaming rights for Blizzard's esports events. Without any mention on the highly anticipated Overwatch League, all other currently planned competitive events were named, including Heroes of the Storm Global Championship, the Hearthstone Championship Tour, World of Warcraft Arena Championship, Overwatch Apex, and StarCraft II World Championship. Frank Pierce, CEO of Blizzard Entertainment, made a statement enforcing ties between the two companies. While nothing is really changing as these type of events have always been streamed on Twitch, this move prevents a lot of third-party competition affecting both companies, as Activision Blizzard has vested interests in the esports with the acquisition of MLG in 2015. Further incentivizing customers, new golden loot boxes will be available to all Twitch Prime gamers.